Kirishima stood in the doorway, and the look on his face shattered you. It's for him, Kirishima said flatly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is when you have Hanahaki for your boyfriend's best friend. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And let's get going. The first petal came on a Tuesday. You were watching Kirishima laugh at something that Kaminari said when Bakugo walked in with Uraraka's hand in his. The slight twisted something in your chest, sharp and sudden. You loved Kirishima. You were happy with him. But Bakugo's crimson eyes met yours for a brief second before he looked away, and the tickle in your throat started. You excused yourself with a smile. You made it to your dorm before the coughing started, violent hacking that left you doubled over. When you caught your breath, there was a single red petal in your palm, crimson, like explosion smoke, like Bakugo's eyes. Hanahaki Disease. You'd learned about it in health class, discussed it like a distant tragedy. People who loved someone who didn't love them back. But that couldn't be right. You loved Kirishima. You'd been together for almost a year. He made you happy. But your heart had other ideas. The petals came more frequently. You got good at hiding them, swallowing coughs during class, excusing yourself before anyone noticed. You kept a bag in your pocket, filling it with evidence of your betrayal. Every petal proved you were lying to Kirishima, that somewhere along the way, you'd fallen for his best friend. 3 weeks passed, the petals multiplied, sometimes accompanied by small buds that left your throat raw and bleeding. You wore darker shirts to hide the blood spots. Kirishima noticed that you were acting off. Babe, are you okay? He asked one evening, hand warm on your forehead. You've been pale lately. Want me to take you to recovery, girl? I'm fine. You lied. Just tired from training. He accepted it because he trusted you. And somehow, the guilt tasted worse than blood. The breaking point came on a Saturday. Kirishima invited you to his dorm for a movie marathon. You were scrolling through options when he called from the doorway. Hey, Bakugo and Uraraka are going to join us. Is that cool? The world tilted. The flowers shifted in your chest, thorns digging deeper. Yeah, you managed. That's great. But when Bakugo walked in with Uraraka tugged under his arm, something inside you cracked. The coughing fit hit. Like a physical blow, you stumbled off the bed, hand over your mouth and ran. You barely made it to the bathroom before petals poured out, dozens of them. Whole flower heads, blood slicked, and beautiful. You collapsed on the cold tile, hands full of red blooms, unable to stop the sobs. The door opened. You didn't have time to hide the evidence scattered across the floor. Kirishima stood in the doorway, and the look on his face shattered you. No, he whispered, dropping to his knees beside you. His hands hovered over the petals, shaking. How long? Iji, Another cough, another spray of petals. I'm really sorry. How long? 3 weeks, maybe longer. Tears streamed down your face. I love you. I do love you. I don't know why this is happening. He gathered the petals carefully, studying them. The deep crimson color, the explosive shape, red spider lilies. You both knew what they meant. It's for him, Kirishima said flatly. You nodded as another cough racked your body. Kirishima stood abruptly, the petals falling from his hands. I have to go. He looked at you one more time, devastation in his eyes. I need to talk to him. Iji, please. But he was already gone. He stayed on the bathroom floor, surrounded by evidence of your betrayal. Eventually, you dragged yourself upright, cleaning the petals with shaking hands. As you approached Kirishima's room, you heard voices. I can't do this right now, man. I just. I need you to know that I'm upset. Really upset. What the hell happened? Bakugo demanded. Just, can you go check on them, please? I can't be the one right now. Yeah, okay, I'll go. He barely retreated before Bakugo emerged, his expression troubled. He spotted you. Apparently, we need to talk. You followed him silently to the room that you shared with Kirishima. Photos of the three of you were stuck to the mirror. Once before Uraka entered the picture, and it was evidence of the happiness that you destroyed. Bakugo closed the door and crossed his arms. So, you're going to tell me what's going on? Kirishima didn't tell you. He just said that he was upset, and that I need to talk to you. So, talk. The cop belled before you could answer. You turned away, bending double, as flowers poured from your lips, more than before, full blooms landing wetly on the floor. Blood spattered across the hardwood. Holy shit. Is that Hanahaki? You nodded, unable to speak. Who? You looked up at him, petals stuck to your lips, blood on your chin, and let him see everything you've been hiding. Understanding dawned on his expression. Me? You're coughing up flowers for me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I love Kirishima, I do. But I think it's you who it's always been in my mind. Bakugo caught you as your legs gave out, lowering you both to the floor. He looked stricken. You idiot. I know. You sobbed. I'm not calling you an idiot for loving me. He interrupted. I'm calling you an idiot because I've been in love with you since second year. And I started dating Uraraka to get over you because I thought you and Kirishima were perfect together. What? Yeah, ironic, isn't it? I watched you fall for my best friend, and then I convinced myself I was happy for you both. Uraraka's great, but she's not you. She was never going to be you. The flowers in your chest shifted, loosened. But you... I'll end it. It's not fair to her. She deserves someone who loves her completely. He cupped your face. And Kirishima. This is going to destroy him. I already destroyed him. You whispered. Did you see his face? We ruined everything. He corrected. Both of us. I'm sorry for not telling you. For letting it get this far. You kissed him, and it tasted like copper and petals and shame. But it also tasted like relief, like finally coming home. When you pulled apart, you were both crying. We're terrible people, you said. Yeah, we really are. The next few days were agony. Bakugo broke up with Uraraka, who took it with grace, though the hurt in her eyes was unmistakable. And Kirishima stopped talking to the both of you, his heartbreak visible to everyone. You'd see him in the halls, watch him turn away, see the way he hardened his skin to hide tears. You'd ruined 4 relationships, yours and Kirishima's and Bakugo's friendship, Bakugo's and Uraraka's relationship, and whatever friendship you shared with Uraraka, who couldn't look at you now. The flower stopped, your lungs cleared, your throat healed, but the guilt remained, a different kind of disease, but with no cure. And you'd realize then that the only person that you had left was Bakugo, the one that you loved from the start but didn't notice. Thank you guys for listening. Hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And goodbye!